This built-in electric oven from Neff is ideal if you're looking for a model with exceptional features to make cooking effortless. With a large 71-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunctional oven with great functions including a pizza and roast setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Neff's incredible CircoTherm system lets you cook 3 different meal types simultaneously, and it retains heat even if you open the door. The powerful fan on the back wall draws in hot air, where it's heated up and forced back into the cavity via specially placed ducts. The constant circulation of hot air means meals are cooked evenly and flavours and smells won't intermingle between dishes. And because of the forced air travelling in different directions, even when you're checking on your meals, little heat is lost. When you're in a hurry, you can use the rapid heating function to start cooking in next to no time. Simply choose a cooking program with a temperature above 100 degrees, followed by the rapid heating function. The oven quickly heats up to the temperature you want, and an alarm will sound to let you know when it's ready for your food to go in. This means you won't need to wait around preheating the oven to cook up a delicious meal. If you're looking for an electric oven with exceptional features to make cooking effortless, this built-in model from Neff is perfect for you.